thanks for tuning into my channel today. I'm going to be teaching you how to make ladybugs with hot glue and acrylic paint. They're really easy to make. You can do lots of things with them. You can make little earrings with them. You can stick them on any project that you're using fake flowers or that's springtime or summery. What you need your hot glue. You need some red acrylic paint and some black acrylic paint, and you can just use the cheap stuff. And you also want a paintbrush. I use two. I use the thicker one to paint the red on faster, and then I go back and I do the detail with the black paint. And I suppose you could use white paint too if you wanted to paint little eyeballs on there. I don't bother doing that because they're so small anyways. Okay, so to start, I just use a piece of cardboard, and you're going to leave it on the cardboard the entire time until it's dry. So you squeeze out a little drop.
Whoa, look at the glue.
I know. Try not to get the string on it. Sometimes it happens. There's nothing you can do about it. But okay, so once it's dry, you can go ahead and paint on your red paint. And go ahead and get it down to the cardboard. You paint the whole edge. The more paint you get on it, the longer it dries, but you do want a good coating of it. The next step, you want to go ahead and paint the little head on it. So I draw a line across to mark where I want my head. See? I went ahead and made the little head on it.
Good job, Mom.
Thank you. Okay, now you're going to want to paint a line down the center of the back. And the next step, of course, is to make your little ladybug dots. Okay, just like that. So once the paint dries, you can go ahead and take a little knife and you can pop it right off of your cardboard. And then you have this adorable tiny little ladybug. I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And it's a wrap.